Welcome back. Okay, so tried something new. I don't have a lot of stuff to unmold that like are intricate. No, I'm just gonna take these out because they're easy. Because I gotta come back around to do this table. Oh, it does show up. Okay, so this is like black with a little bit of green. You can see that more there. It has like a hint of like antique gold in it. So that's that one. So I realized that I didn't have any plain trays on the table, incense holders. So I made two basically the same color. But this one, oh, okay. This one looks cool. It has like gold around the edge. It was supposed to have gold all in there, but it looks like the black got caught in there. But I did an extra thing of black so that it would swirl and be a little darker. I don't know. There's some air bubbles in here. I don't know why that's like that. But I really love how this came out like around there and how the front. Oh, it did. Okay, so I was experimenting and I put like a tattoo inside. That is so funny. It actually came out on there. I put a tattoo on the inside of the okay, so I know what to do then. I'd have to encase it, so I'd have to put like whatever, I'll figure it out. But I did like a little tattoo and it actually came off on the what you call it. I'm not mad at that. I wonder if I could rub it off though. But yeah, so those two. I guess I can do these. Oh, I did these way after. That's why they felt a little soft. I was like, why do they feel soft? Let me rest it on here so we don't have no problems. It should be fine though, because it's almost 24 hours. Almost. So these are definitely 24 hours though. Ooh, what was that? Oh, I think that's the rest of my tattoos. Tattoos! Yep, it was. Okay, this one. This green looks so good. Let me come around. I can't help myself. I want y'all to see this struggle up close and personal. But oh, I forgot I mixed in the white. I saw it there, but it didn't register. Oof, oof. But that looks good on the side, right? Right. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to do this over because I was trying to do, ooh, yes. I already know the trays don't look like what it's supposed to look like. The holder definitely does though, because it's giving. I only got 2 legs out and it's already giving. So I know it did what it was supposed to on the legs and everything. Yeah, this looks exactly. The front, not so much. It was supposed to have more white in there, but it's enough to get the point across. I just wanted like a hint of white. This looks so good. I don't know what's with me and this green and gold, but oh yeah, this is firm too. I did a nice layer on this. Yeah, this looked damn good. And these, I'm about to just take these out and throw these at somebody. I did so well. Like when I say so well with this mix, like it was so intentional and it was so good. It is so hard, but like it started hardening up on me, as you can see here. So like, what is this? This is so pretty. That's what it is. Ugh, I'm so pissed. I scraped like, oh, that looks, I'm mad because this looks so good. Look at this. I can probably salvage this one. This is supposed to be a gift. I'm so mad because this, like the color scheme came out great. The mix was effing perfect. Like I measured everything perfectly because I feel like I've been rushing with my, like it's hard. There's no bend and it's thin. So I know, okay, I'm the problem apparently. It's just this batch of resin is just super sensitive because I've always mixed a little extra, like whatever, but this one is teaching me to be more intentional, I guess. But it came out so good because I wanted the edges gold and it looks so good. The color's perfect with the, oh. Are these all flat? Nope, only 2 of them are flat. Can't put no damn stuff on there. Can't put no cups on the coaster. Oh God, my apartment must have just gotten hot because the AC just turned on. But it's like, I clean the edges up. I'm kind of like really upset, but at the same time, I'm so in love with this because it looks so good and it has like a little white in there. This looks so effing good. I'm heartbroken. Like, I'm so heartbroken because this came out exactly how it was supposed to. This one's close. I could probably make something work with that. That one's okay. But like this one, this one's definitely just a joke though. Like, this is a joke. But that's flat. Okay, we got 2 that's flat maybe. It's so gorgeous. This one has air bubbles though. Listen, I was if y'all are gonna see the unmolding, not the unmolding, the behind the scenes when I finally post it on like TikTok or Instagram, if you follow me there, if not, go follow me there so you can see the struggle that it was to make this and why this came out like this. See, it's like a little bit of white. This looks so effing good. Like air bubbles. I'm so mad. This looks so good and I'm so mad it came out messed up. Cause then, see, this one's the only one that's like flat for real. Cause that one, is it flat? Yeah, it's flat. It just has air bubbles. That's why I'm like, But, Jesus. Yes, this is a video about me complaining about me effing up. Whatever, I don't care. This looks so good though. Like, I am enamored with this. This looks amazing. And then when you put them together, see, I knew what I was doing. It wasn't just like a half-cocked idea. Like, oh my God, I'm so pissed. It looks so good and I'm so mad that it didn't come out right. Like, I actually love this. I'm willing to sell this. Let me stop. Like, I'm not. I gotta try to make this again. That's my problem because I don't, like, I measure stuff, but I don't measure it. Whatever. Let me bring this closer so y'all can see this unmolding for this table. Hold on. All right, this cropping is horrible, but let me, when I come around, ooh, and we're just gonna, come on, you can come over here. That song's been stuck in my head because everyone's been using the sound, and I think I used it for one. You ready? Oh, I forgot I had some spillage. Ooh, let me turn this to a side that wasn't spilled on. All right. Ooh, ooh. Yes! Okay, okay, so this is the table that matches the set. They're not supposed to go together. It's just I had the idea for this, which was the same idea for that. I love this because it seeped through, so you can see, because this table has has like, well, you can't see there, but it had like the holes inside to like outline the monstera, and it seeped through and it looks so good. I love the lip, and I did the gold around the rim, but you can see, and it has like little white accents. I'm obsessed. This is a gorgeous plant table. I'm here talking like I didn't make it. I love this. I'm about to make a whole bunch of gold and green shit now. Like, I'm obsessed with green and gold right now. This looks so good. I have some air bubbles, but I'm not pressed about it. I can easily put one clear layer up here and just, yeah, so I'm the problem. It's me. I'm the drama. so excited. God, I wish. I'm so pissed off about this. Anyways, these are the things that we, oh, why am I trying to look like I want to dislocate? Yeah, I'm gonna make a whole bunch more of these. I'm in love with this. Not to say I don't love the regular tables, but this takes way less resin, so I can make way more of these. Oh, this looks so good. So good. And with the legs and everything, it's a darker green, so it's like, but I love it. Oh, I love it. Yeah, this is the girl. This is the one. This is the moment. But yeah, so we got all of these here. Y'all don't understand how much I love this combo and how heartbroken I am. I know y'all heard me bitch about it for like 10 minutes, but whatever. Anyways, thank you so much for sitting through this. And just like everything else, obviously I gotta clean up my edges on this, but because we had some spillage. But just like everything else we do here, Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates. Whether you got here on purpose or by faith, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.